Hey guys, it's ACVR back with another video. Today we're going to be playing Mangles Revenge in Rec Room with What's Up Yo and Haze and Rust A771.
I don't know the full thing. Okay, that's all.
Alright, let's start. Hold on.
Create server.
Hey guys, it's Future Hazy, and I just wanted to say, for people that are using headphones, turn down your volume, please. Alright, goodbye now. Around, baby, right round. If this video gets like 1 million likes. Hey guys, I just want to say that What's Up Yo VR was at my house during recording, so if you hear him in the background, ignore him. I'll reveal my cat.
Dream on, pal. Yeah, I forgot how scary that
God.
sound is.
Alright, let's play.
I don't like it.
Let's play.
Click play.
Alrighty.
Alright, we just gotta find all the breakers and we gotta fix them.
Oh,
yeah, like this.
Oh, wait, I'm fast.
So our objective is to find like 5 breakers and fix them.
Does it react to our sound?
Behind us.
No.
Okay.
He's right there. Clipped. Oh, dang it. Oh, here's another one.
I didn't know how large he was.
I don't like this anymore. Run! Run! Run!
Oh, don't lead him to us.
Alrighty. What?
I don't like
Fixing up
this
a
game. I don't like this
That was
game.
3.
Ran through that vent.
He's a
Can
scaredy
he
cat.
go over the vent? Can he go over the vent? Okay.
Roast A7711 is a scaredy cat, guys. Don't mind him. Alright, I have one more power breaker to fix. Where's this fatty? Oh, fatty.
You.
Wait a minute. If I can hide in the vents the whole time and Mangle can't get me.
No, don't be a baby.
Oh gosh!
I got fellas. He can crawl through the vent.
He's chasing after me! He's chasing after me, go! Oh god. Okay, let's go back in. I'm back. I have to fix 5 generators again.
I see you. Dude, I didn't know he could crawl through the vents.
I'm pretty sure Rust just like left.
I kind of lied to poor Rust.
Oh gosh! He's chasing after me! Dude, he is huge. Leave me alone! Please! Help! Oh! Is it time that I die? Help! Somebody help! Dude, not again! Slade! Get back in! You're such a scaredy cat! And you're in party!
Okay, yeah, no, I'm not. I've been in here since the first time I died. You know whenever I was screaming at you in the kitchen?
Yes.
Bro, you told me you couldn't go in the vent!
You were so scared. What's up, yo? Where are you? Gosh. Dude! Guys, away! Officer, away! I lost him. We lost him.
Why?
Dude, I've died like 50 times. He keeps chasing after me.
I've died one time. I died one time, and that's because I stayed inside the spawn area for so long.
Yeah, because we're
only
scared
died
cat.
one. It's like
Because I used to play Ignited Bonnie. It was like my first ever game on Rec Room.
Guys, Ben. We're not
now. What is this place? It's like a storage area. Do we need to run?
Yeah, he's near. Michael's near.
This way? Which way? Other way! Oh, you should have heard me. Were y'all able to hear my scream?
Yes.
Whenever I died? I was like,
Okay,
I gotta
I'm going
go.
back in.
I gotta
Wait,
go.
what? Why?
Why? I gotta go.
Why?
Just get back down here,
Rest left.
Hazy. Hazy.
I'll put the link that the song he's singing. I'll put the link for it in the description below.
Oh, he's coming!
Oh, last.
That's the last one for you. I still need 3 more. Wait for me.
Okay, 5 out of 5 power. Congrats, anyway.
Run! Dude, he just chases after me now. I thought you said you finished it.
I did finish.
That's so loud. Take my life! Okay.
Dang, that's so
well,
loud.
that was fun and all. He finished, I didn't. I hope you guys had a good day. Like and subscribe, it would mean a lot to me, and goodbye.